Hello and welcome my friend, and then I am planning to show you that what it looks like inside in this drive axle and drive shaft in car or truck when I cut this drive shaft and axle in here by this angle grinder, this device. And I can recommend that if you like to do similar, here is one of these makers what produce really excellent battery devices. What works so well that if this part became stuck, then this system automatically stops. But let's look at how this really works. And please enjoy when I cut this part. Okay, and now I have made this drive shaft emergency cut, and there is really, this drive shaft is now free, and now I can take that another part away, and then I can also take this part away, because I need to take this body area, that strut area, where is this bearing and then brake disc, to my steel vise, and I can then compress and work in there. But this is really situation that now I cut that drive shaft and axle. And then we can really look that inner area, and this is really nice steel, and in that another full of very durable Japanese steel, and now I have cut that. Excellent. And this is this stuck area in here. Here we can see these cutting points, and this is really totally full of steel. Okay, that kind of information, my friend, and really this is for the final solution when we have really stuck drive shaft and axle, and this part is now in Honda Civic car, made in Japan. Okay, and first time in my history I had to do that kind of emergency cut. And please enjoy, my friend.